Yes. Hey guys, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome to the new offices, Crowd1.
Nice.
Dubai Media City, Arenco Tower. We have the whole of the 20th floor.
You love LED lights, huh?
There is LED lights, a lot of them, 265 square meters of them. If you're going to do presentations, you've got to do it in style, right?
Oh, definitely.
This is how we do it. The whole office is 1,500 square meters. We've got a merchandise area over there. Yes, indeed. Hustle and bustle of Dubai, perfect, right?
Hello everyone.
Hey everyone, everyone looking groovy. Yes, indeed. So you want to have some meetings here, you can have good meetings here, chill out, relax. Good area. So, yeah, it's a lounge area, but also if you want to do have some meetings here and have some presentations here, you can as well. So that's a good thing, because there's a lot of space, a lot of area here as well. Indeed, indeed. Cool. All right, come round, come round. Little spot here as well. We're gonna do a little da-da-da-da-da.
Laptop.
Right, right. Okay, guys, welcome to the hub and the first of our meeting rooms. Come over here. This one is called the marina. Why?
Why?
Because it's got a perfect view of the marina. Come, come, come. Let's see. Yes, Dubai Marina.
This is a good, amazing view.
Right? This is where it's at. People love it. They absolutely love it. And of course, you can use those conference rooms, one of three. And this is the creative crew. So all of the magic that you see on our social medias and all of our cool videos, this is where they're created. Yes, indeed. So this is also our area for flexi desks. So you can come and rent these desks out as well. Yeah, of course, the whole thing, whole panoramic, amazing. Okay, so another waiting area as well, nice chill, always good fruit on display. Okay, so a conference room is going on now, but let's just interrupt and it's fine. Hello everybody, how you doing? Amazing view, again.
Nice.
This one's called the Palm, for obvious reasons. It's got a fantastic, magnificent view of the Palm Jumeirah. Yeah, man. Sorry to interrupt, guys. Cool, carry on. Right, so another relaxing lounge area. A wonderful bit of greenery there. Take your time, chill out. Right, 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 right. Right? Right, let's go quick though, I'm excited, I want to show you more. So the office has 3 meeting rooms that can fit up to 20 people, and if you're president level or higher, then you can just simply book online. So it's all in tune with Jonas's vision. And yeah, and talking about Jonas, he's here somewhere. This is where all the big bosses are. There we are, there they are. Wonderful. Hey guys, great to see you. Yeah, they're working hard. Hey, now you see them, now you don't. Obviously something big is going on. So here where you have the offices, the Crowd1 management offices, and the last of the conference rooms, this one's called Downtown. Obviously, because we've got an amazing view of downtown. And this one has a big difference as well. So we've got a screen here, another LED screen, and a small stage to do presentations. Welcome.
Let me try it. Up here. Let's go!
Yeah!
Let's do it.
Crowd1, man.
Nice.
Brilliant. Look at the Burj Al Arab. Wow. Right? Downtown. I don't know, I'm not too sure which is my favorite room actually. They've all got amazing views, right? Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna use them all. Look at this.
And this is one of my favorite places as well. The whole office is my favorite, but this is where a lot of people like, because as you can see, the hustle and bustle and fantastic food and beverage on display for you all. So, what would you like?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino? Cappuccino, bros. Look, look, he's one of the best baristas in the country.
Look. See?
Oh, it's got a little Crowd1 thing on it. You know my favourite already. Yes, brother. Thank you very much, kid. Nice one, guys. Cheers, cheers.
Thank you.
Nice one. So, what do you think?
I'm blown away. Yeah. That logo up there, that unleashing opportunities, that's exactly what this is.
Yes. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Very professional. World
Crowd1 delivers. This is what they have promised and what they have done. This
Always.
is an amazing office, and not an office for Crowd1, it's for the people, for everybody. Can invite the teams, work on the teams. We have traveled the world. I think now it's time that the world for travel to us and bring them here to the office in Dubai.
Yeah.
And we are here and we can work.
I'll be here every month.
Perfect.
Yep.
Dubai is a hub.
great.
Dubai is an amazing hub, and it just seems fitting for Crowd1 to be here. So we hope to see you here soon.
Everybody, Dubai is the place to be.
Let's go.
Come here.